this session, let us learn about HTML symbols. Symbols that are not present on your keyboard can also be added by using entities. HTML entities we described in the previous chapter. Many mathematical, technical and currency symbols are not present on a normal keyboard. To add such symbol to an HTML page, you can use the entity name or the entity number, a decimal or a hexadecimal difference for the symbol. Display the euro sign with an entity name, a decimal and a hexadecimal value. See the code and result. See, like this we can use. I will display euro. I will display like this. It will print like this. See some mathematical and symbol supports by HTML for all, partial differential, z-axis, empty sets, nabla, elements of, not an element of, contains as member, n array product, n array summation, full Greek reference, Greek capital letter alpha, Greek capital letter beta, Greek capital letter gamma, Greek capital letter delta, Greek capital letter epsilon, Greek capital letter zeta. See here, copyright sign, see register sign, euro sign, trademark, leftwards arrow, upwards arrow, downwards arrow, black spade suit, black club suit, black hat suit, black diamond suit. See, okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 49 symbols. In next video, let us learn about another topic, emojis. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.